Soldiers passing by, listening to the wind of day. The world is